I'm Dan Mack. I'm the Assistant Chief of Miami Township Fire and EMS. We're a suburban department located on the east side of Cincinnati. A paid department that consists of about 100 personnel. We're here today at E1 because we're doing the final inspection on our new custom Typhoon pumper. This pumper is going to be located at the newest of our 4 stations and will be serving primarily a residential populace, but it also will be the first backup unit, the second due unit in both a heavy industrial area as well as a large commercial strip covered by 2 of our other stations. We mainly wanted a truck that would be versatile. So we spec'd this truck in such a way to fit certain parts of the operation that is most important to the personnel. One had to do with the cab. The cab had to be both versatile but utilitarian, because obviously a lot of the equipment that we're going to be using, whether it's simply down to the SCBA, thermal imaging camera, various meters, and also the ALS equipment, everything had to be in a position where it was well secured, but also easily accessible. The other thing about the cab was the ability to have good air and good heat. Cincinnati's kind of a little different. We have very cold winters, but we also have very hot summers. So the heating and air conditioning system and how that's distributed inside the cab was important. The other thing is our crew consist may vary based on whether the EMS crew is in now. Since our personnel are cross-trained, if they're all in station and a fire call comes in, we supplement some of the engine company with some of the firefighter medics off the ambulance in order to try to provide a 4-person engine company in the event of a call for a structure fire. This is our first side mount pump other than our aerial apparatus. For many years we've had either top mount or rear mount pump panels. This time around we decided to go with a mid-mount pump panel due to the fact that we needed to keep the wheelbase on the short side, but at the same time we were trying to keep a rescue style compartmentation. The reason that we decided to go with E1, we had a number of different reasons for E1. Number one is the reputation and the quality. This is our first E1 fire truck. However, for many years we were operating E1 ambulances, and those ambulances gave us many years of service, but we're very familiar with the E1 product. E1's always had that reputation for quality, but more importantly, they've got the reputation of being able to do what the customer needs. And for us, because this truck is a little bit different than many of our other trucks, that ability to do the customization that would fit our operation was extremely important. I can't stress enough how important it is to us as we do a final inspection to have the support of the manufacturer and the sales rep. And in this case, we had both. And that's one of the things that we've really enjoyed about working with E1. All of that made working with E1 and working with Vogelpool, and especially with Kevin, extremely pleasant and very, very useful to us as a department that is very interested in making the best use of those taxpayer dollars that have gone to the purchase of this truck.